Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to unsubscribe from Mailerlite. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. And then, once you are logged in to your account in Mailerlite, there are two ways for you to unsubscribe in this platform. Number one option is if you want to unsubscribe to your subscription, all right? All you're gonna do is go to the account settings section and go to the billing. Click the plan and billing on the left side panel. And then, for example, in terms of the plan, if you decided to upgrade to a different plan, just click the cancel and you will be unsubscribed to the plan that you wanted. All right. Now, the second option is remember that during the initial setup of your Mailerlite account, you should receive an email from Mailerlite, like a welcome email from the platform, and scroll to the bottom of the email. All right. You see, there is a section here that says if you have subscribed or haven't subscribed yet. For example, all right, this is your first time subscribing. If you click this button, you would be forwarded to the section that you have entered your email address, and then you clicked the subscribe button, right? What will happen is you would receive something like this. That means confirmation that you have subscribed to Mailerlite. Now, with that being said, and then after that, once you have successfully subscribed, you see there is a left side panel of your dashboard that says unsubscribe settings. All right. So click the unsubscribe settings here. You should be forwarded to this section. All right. You have the preview if you want to unsubscribe. All right. To the following address. Now, all you have to do is click the yes option if you want to unsubscribe. All right. Click that, and of course, click changes. But if you want to edit some contents to filter out your subscribe information, you might want to click this form right here. You would be forwarded to a new page wherein you have more control over your subscription if you don't want to entirely unsubscribe. You see that? All you're going to do is click on yes, click the subscribe, and click on save. All right, that's it. Now, if you go back here to the section, and if you're still having problems unsubscribing to Mailerlite, just click the question mark option here. This is going to be the help center, wherein if you can't find the topic for the unsubscribing help, just click the create a ticket. One of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix your problem if in case you encounter anything. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.